Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today's video is going to be about a topic that's a bit controversial, but one that we feel is important to discuss, with tensions rising around the world. Many people are starting to worry about the possibility of a third world war, and while we certainly hope that it never happens, we also want to prepare ourselves for any eventuality. So, in this video, we'll be discussing how to make money in a possible World War III scenario. The first thing you need to do is invest in commodities. In times of war, commodities like gold, silver, and oil tend to skyrocket in value. So, if you have some spare cash lying around, consider investing it in these commodities. You could even consider investing in companies that produce these commodities, like oil drilling companies or gold mines. The second thing you can do is start a business that caters to the needs of people during wartime. For example, if you live in an area that's prone to war, you could start a business that sells survival gear like gas masks, food, and water. You could also start a business that provides security services to people who are worried about their safety. The third thing you can do is invest in companies that are involved in defense production in times of war. The government spends a lot of money on defense, so companies that produce weapons, vehicles, and other defense-related products tend to do well. So, if you have some money to invest, consider investing it in these types of companies. The fourth thing you can do is invest in real estate. During wartime, many people are forced to flee their homes, and this can cause a shortage of housing in certain areas. So, if you own property in a war-torn area, you could rent it out to people who are looking for a place to live. This can be a great way to make money while also helping people who are in need. Finally, you can invest in yourself in times of war. Having valuable skills can be a lifesaver, so consider taking courses or attending workshops that can teach you skills like first aid, self-defense, and survival techniques. You could also learn a trade that would be useful in a wartime scenario, like carpentry, electrical work, or plumbing. So, those are some of the ways you can make money in a possible World War III scenario. Of course, we hope that we never have to face such a situation, but it's always better to be prepared. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.